Mike sold me a sweet 250SX. Appreciate it, brother. You get on there or what, Peanut?
You jump on, Peanut?
You show me how to start it? Do you still know how to start this thing?
First, it's turn key.
Oh, okay. Step one?
Yes.
Well, am I going to do it or you going to do it? You got it, buddy. Nice work. Heck yeah, man. You want to ride it one last time?
I already did.
Oh, you already did?
Okay.
It's up to you, man, if you want to be in.
He wants to see you pull a wheelie on it.
You do?
Go back really fast and you hit the back brake.
Oh, boy.
Almost got one.
He watches you every night with me in the garage on Time Machines. Jared's pulling a wheelie! High five, dude! Yeah!
These are probably some of my favorite three-wheelers, man.
They are great all-arounders.
Couple nice finds today on Marketplace. Well, Mike Hathcock hooked me up with this one. Check that out. Nick, too. I got something else I'm going to show you guys. All right, all I got to do is crush this bang. Nick hooked me up with here. Oh, where's my shotgun? Let's get dangerous. Hey, Mike, go ahead and just show Nick who Darkwing Duck is so he can learn who Darkwing Duck is, because that's important. A lot of kids nowadays, they don't know who Darkwing is. Pretty slick one, guys. I just ordered me a seat cover because basically that's all she needs. And now, oh, Tim, his old bird's doing about like this right now, and I think he's wanting to go ahead and make a deal on it maybe. But get you guys a video. Check her out. Turn on the key, push it the button. Bubba, all five up. You don't use the clutch. See in first gear. Don't turn like that.
Yeah, I got you.
Hit a brake off a wheelie, boy?
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah.
So just scoot back here, cover the brake. Hey, don't embarrass me now, rip these. Hey, don't embarrass me and rip the over fenders off. Yeah, scoot back. Toes in, right over the brake. Hey, keep your feet on them pegs, okay? Toes in, feet tight. Nice. Look at, see these forks?
Yeah.
When they go down, they spring back up. See? So what you want to do, if you're going to do a roller, second gear, step one, let off the throttle and compress the front end. Step two, all at once, right up, down, right up. Up. You don't have to give it everything. Honestly, it's more important that you shift your weight. Going nice and slow. Time it up, okay? Pretty much all there is to it to get it up. Now, flipping it over backwards, that's a whole nother story. Feel it now? Yeah, he's feeling it now. Works better with your butt on the seat. All right, then look, come in.
Because I can't do it too slow, so that's why I'm trying to do speed with it, because I can't do it slow.
When there's speed, there's not enough gear to pop it up. You need a big shift in momentum this way and from underneath.
All right.
Look, it's easier from a dead stop. Watch, I'll show you, for example. Here's first gear, okay? Dead stop. Right up, right? Watch the roll. See this fast? Like this. Dude, like this. God. Nice. Yeah, cool guy. Everything was cool. Nice job, buddy. This is gonna be troublesome because he thinks he's cool now. Hey, you got football.
What?
Said you got football, so don't run your legs over. Nice. That's all right. That'll be a good screenshot. All right, switch me up, Buster. Switch me up. That's a pretty good runner right there, guys. Appreciate it, Mike. Nick, appreciate it. Alina, I appreciate it because I know you're probably the one that didn't want to think it was yours. So appreciate it, Alina, too. And you guys get up in there, send me the deals. I'll do my part. Oh man, later in the week we're gonna rip this in that 250EX. Maybe throw Blaster into the mix, I don't know, or I don't know, something. So get up in there, guys, give me a like and subscribe. Lots more on the channel, appreciate it. All right, guys, I'm trying to teach Parker how to compress the front shocks. You do it on a 4-wheeler, 3-wheeler, dirt bike, anything to make the front end come up easier. You'll make it come up easier with less RPM, means you can ride the gear longer too. So think of it like a pogo stick. If you stand on a pogo stick, it doesn't do anything. You need the downward momentum to spring you back up. Y'all don't know what a damn pogo stick is. Shoo, classy move with that bang, you guys. And also, Nick taught me a sweet little move. I'm gonna have to go get Parker with this handshake Nick taught me. It was a little rude. It hurt a little bit, honestly. It was hurtful. That can be hurtful. High five on them wheels. Too slow. Yeah, see, it's hurtful, Nick. Don't teach people that. See what it did? Look at little Parker now. Little kid got me with that yesterday. Okay, fooled me once. Okay. Hey, everybody, I appreciate you watching this 250SX video. I've got a lot more coming. Outlaw 525 video coming up. Banshee BW riding footage. CR 500 video coming up. What else? Oh, I picked these up yesterday. They may go on the channel soon. 250EX video and then a Ace 900. A few other machines around here. Definitely got a lot more videos coming. Be sure and give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And almost 30,000 subscribers. Appreciate it, everybody.